This finally got the Argos after a long wait. I'm number 158, and I believe I ordered it August 19th, 2021, I believe. So this just arrived today. I guess these are a box of accessories. There's some more accessories over here. So let's see what we got here. Ordered this extra, so there's a double-sided portafilter. And I ordered an extra bottomless portafilter. Well, my serial number is 79. So here's one of the piston assemblies. This is the pressure gauge. And I don't know why I have two springs. I ordered one extra spring for 6-bar spring. There's a portafilter that comes with it, so I have a couple extra. So I got this in black. Puck screens, power cable, tamper, and O-rings and supplies. Then I guess this must be the direct assembly. So I got an extra one of these so I could just switch it out easily. And then I'll assemble this, and then hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to get it working and try a shot. I must add, I really appreciated Ross taking the time to work out a lot of the kinks rather than sending it out and having problems. The only update I need is some special valve for bleeding the air that should be coming soon. So thank you very much.